Hello, my name is Greg Seward and I'm from UMass Medical School. I want to do a brief overview of the carbon monoxide meter or CO meter. Hopefully I'm using the exact same model that you have in front of you now. They all work pretty much the same. We've had much experience with different kinds of carbon monoxide meters here at UMass, and I actually prefer this one. This is a Bedfont meter. So I'd encourage you right now, if you haven't already, to get your meter out of the box. If you need to, pause this video and get it out of the box and restart. Now that you have it out of the box, I want to familiarize you with a few basic parts of the CO meter. This is the screen that you'll be looking at for the results. The power button is at the top. It's this round button that you push in and hold. The batteries are in the back. It's easily opened. You'll find 3 AA batteries in there. In your clinic, in your program, you want to be sure you always have extra batteries, just like you have extra mouthpieces, in case the batteries run out when you're doing a test. So to get started, you take out this D piece. It's called a D piece because the end looks like the letter D. You put it in the slot. Then you take out a disposable mouthpiece and you put the round end in the round D piece. One disposable mouthpiece per test. The D piece don't need to be replaced any more than once every 30 days, or if they're visibly soiled, you can replace them sooner. All right, now you turn the meter on, press and hold the round button at the top. They come on pretty quickly, as you can see. Now, I'm going to pretend and actually do a test on myself. When you're ready to take a test, the first thing you want to do is explain to the patient, to the subject, what you're going to do. And this is how I would do it. I would welcome them and thank them for coming in and explain the CO meter and what a test is and what it does. So I would say something like, this is a CO meter. We use it to measure the amount of carbon monoxide on your breath caused from smoking. When you're ready, you're going to tell me that you're ready, and I'll tell you to take a deep breath. You'll be holding it for 15 seconds. I'll start a timer on the screen and you'll be able to see it count down from 15 towards 0. Keep holding your breath all the way through. When it gets to 3 seconds, it will start to beep. Keep holding your breath. At 0 seconds, you put your mouth around the end of the tube, make a complete seal, and blow out. You want to empty your lungs. So this is how it works. If you accidentally press a wrong button, just go back to the home screen. The home screen looks like a little house at the bottom, and that takes you right back to the beginning. So I'm a guy, so I would press the guy icon. So here I go, and I'm going to tell myself to take a deep breath and hold it for 15 seconds. And then the numbers count up pretty quickly. So mine went from 0 to 1 part per million. I'm a non-smoker, I don't smoke anything. Now I'm going to score very little carbon monoxide. A result of 1 or 2 or maybe 3 or 4 parts per million could be the result of ambient carbon monoxide in the air from vehicle exhaust. Maybe I passed through a few people that were smoking and I inhaled some secondhand smoke. But a 1 is really nothing to be alarmed about. The results come up pretty quickly. And that number 1 is what you write down as the result. Now, I'm done taking the test, so I take out the plastic tube. I can throw that away. I'll save this. Now, if you got some results that were really odd, let's say someone blew 100, or let's say someone said they had quit smoking and they blew at 20 parts per million. Let me give you a quick few tips. First, do a retest on the person. Check the level again. See if the results are the same. The next thing you can do is do a test on yourself. Now, you yourself know whether or not you're a smoker. If you're a smoker, you would expect a higher number. If you're a non-smoker, you would expect a low number. And then if the results don't match up, don't make any sense, you can always check with us for some feedback, but it might be time to calibrate the meter. When you first get the meter, they're calibrated from the factory. You don't need to do that. But in our next video, we'll go through a quick little calibration on this meter so you can see how easy it is to do. I think that's everything. I wish you all the best. Take care.